guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Welcome to the 4th floor production. I'm Shweta Kulkarni and
Dude, that's my thing too.
dude.
Hey guys, welcome back to the 4th floor productions. Today I'm back with a new vlog. I think this is the last sunny week that's going to be here in Berlin, after which the fall begins and eventually the winter begins. A lot of events occurred this week. We celebrated the Ganpati festival.
Ganpati Bappa. Mangalamurti.
Moria. And importantly, we celebrated Pranav's birthday. Today is Pranav's birthday. Apparently, he didn't tell us that it's his birthday. So you might ask us, who is Pranav?
I'm Pranav.
Dark,
I'm dark.
Gothic,
I'm gothic.
and the one who calls himself Batman.
I'm Batman.
Very funny guy. So we thought, why not, like good boys, will go buy him a cake, surprise him. He doesn't know that we know his birthday, and that's it. Where is the cake? We have ice cream cake. No cake. Let's buy wine.
Let's not waste much time over here.
Four floors, no lift. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Motherfucker.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. We knew.
You didn't tell us it's your birthday.
I knew.
What the fuck?
I knew you knew.
Please.
Let's go kayaking.
Come.
Tuesday.
Chalo na.
Shall we go?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Cool.
Lego. So cut short, we are here at Spreewald today and we are going kayaking with my buddy Pranav. Hey, what's up? Yep. The Spreewald. So the Spreewald is, in German, the swamps, is a section of the German state of Brandenburg located about 100 kilometers southeast of Berlin. We have traveled from Berlin for about 45 minutes. Spreewald was designated a biosphere reserve by UNESCO in 1991. It is known for its traditional irrigation system consisting of more than 200 small canals, and that is when we decided this is the best spot for kayaking. I think we are here. Yep. So this is the place that we chose. Well, there are a lot of rental places which you can find online at spreewald.de. Alright, so quick update. I was given the responsibility to book these canoes, which meant not just booking but also the payment. Apparently forgot to make the payment and we are out of boats. But there's one paddle boat that's available which can take 4 people at a time, which is not a bad option. But people are pissed off. So now that we have lost the canoes, which I forgot to book, we are paddling now.
Guilty in charge. We are canoeing now.
We are canoeing now. Now before you have too many questions, here Water Sports 101. In a kayak, the paddler is seated and uses a double-bladed paddle to move forward. They are lightweight and looks like this. In a canoe, the paddler kneels and uses a single-bladed paddle to move forward. They're quite heavy and looks like this. Google for more information. So, what will you do if there's a swan in middle?
I'll hit him. I'll scare him. I'll shoo him away with the pedal. That's the.
You are scared of swans?
No.
Well, this lady
I'm
is.
scared of this lady. I'll throw stones on this lady.
Can you take that mask and laugh? Person who sits at the back needs strength and this lady volunteered.
So?
we are being given the instructions now. So first 3 people paddle. First 3 people are for the speed, and the last person is for for steering. Thank you. All right, so we'll just continue with the journey then.
Let's continue.
Yes.
Yo!
We have paddled halfway and now taking a break. So we just parked our canoe. So this is our kayak which have parked canoe. Now we have taken a break. We're just halfway and it is too tiring. So the place where we took the break, it's called Warszawska. Nice food, great beers. So at least midway through your kayaking trip.
Pros to the fun trip. You're having fun and tiring trip. Pros. At last we did it. The kayaking.
This was not kayaking, but okay.
But okay.
Alright, after this break, we are going back.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
It's fun. Good architecture all along, nice places to chill. Mostly old people, but I think we are on a weekday, so that's why the crowd is too old for now. We see people bringing their own paddles, their own canoe, their own kayaks, and having fun. And yeah, it's a task. It's a big task. No embarrassing moments, right? No embarrassing moments.
Not yet.
Not yet. But again. No, don't do that. Sorry. It's your first time. Sorry. Man, this is embarrassing.
Left में लो.
One,
Left
two.
में लो.
Hey, shoo the ducks away, please.
Why do you freak out for dogs?
Shut up! I don't know, man.
Paddle
Even David Beckham has bird phobia, so I'm of the similar genes, I guess.
1, 2, 3, stop. Hey, Gane. So this was fun. Probably the last week where Berlin will be sunny, and I hope we have made the most of this week. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes. So if you like this vlog, wish Pranav happy birthday and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, let me know what you would want to see in my next vlogs. And yeah, have fun.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Cheers.